friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making turkey bacon in the oven. So all you need is turkey bacon and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or aluminum foil for easy cleanup. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to put turkey bacon on a baking sheet, and you can make large batches or small batches. The cooking time and method is the same no matter how much bacon you have. So just put bacon slices on a baking sheet in a single layer. And for a very large batch of bacon, you can use 2 baking sheets at once. So this is great for cooking bacon for a crowd. So now let's put bacon in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake. So now this bacon has been baking for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and it's perfectly cooked. Look at that turkey bacon. It's nice and crispy and perfectly baked in the oven, and super easy. No dealing with a frying pan. This is the easiest way ever to cook bacon. So now let's put it on a plate. Perfect. See how easy it was to bake bacon in the oven? And now if you'd like it crispier, then you can bake it for a few more minutes. So basically bake it until it's crispy enough to your liking. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love turkey bacon. So crispy and delicious. You'll love baking bacon in the oven. It's so easy, and you can cook a huge batch of bacon at once. No mess, no standing over the frying pan. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!